Hello everyone. I'm just not happy. It's because that Senessa has invited some unexpected guest in my house.
Yippee! Giggle! I am so happy!
Oh, yeah! Ha ha ha! Look at me, I'm dancing! Me too, man. I can dance like a robot. Oh, yeah! Oh, no, 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 no. What are those guys doing here? What's going on? Wait. What's that truck doing here? What's going on? Oh. Oh. Alright, everyone. Get out. Oh, what? Get out. Fine, you know what? I'll go. Yeah, me too.
Wait! Come back! I want to see all of you guys.
What? Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do a DVD open on this stupid worst movie of all time, and this film is good. This one, we're doing a DVD open on Ratchet and Clank. For those who do not know, this was actually based on a game from the 2016 movie game, and also the original from the 2002. But this is the 2016 movie version. Right, guys? Seriously, the game is good. That James Arnold Taylor was the voice of Ratchet, but he also voiced Milo. Yes, that's right. In Atlantis 2, Milo's Return.
I didn't know that. It was just happen all the time.
Well, I do know this was way ahead of time. Yeah, but Ratchet and Clank is a good duo. They're awesome. Well, enough of that. Let's just do it. Okay. That doesn't make any sense, because that's not just how it happened. All we do know, it's nothing else. What could go wrong? Okay, let's see what's going on. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no. Oh. Let me just clean it for a moment. Meanwhile, okay, let's try again, because it didn't work that properly. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, I didn't know it wasn't working. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, yep, here he is. What is this?
That will probably is this logo over here.
Lionsgate. That is a good company. A good company. The people that made Saw trilogy, My Little Pony the movie. I don't know the others, but we'll know. Yeah. Now this is very popular. For why to co-release it? Oh no! What is this? What is this? Wait. What is this? This is like a family, and they have no mouths. Well, they look adorable, but I don't know what they look like anyway. What is inhabitation is this? They got no mouths anyway, and I don't know how they just anything for that. But none of that's just right of you. Oh, What is this? What is that? They're just like an animals or something. What is this then? Because I'm gonna get so crazy for it. I don't know. Couldn't sworn, but this is not actually what it is. But I don't know what's going on. And now stop laughing, Piley. Moomins on the Riviera. Okay, that's a good film anyway. Toonbox Entertainment. What is this film? Toonbox Entertainment is the company that made the Nut Job 1 and Nut Job 2. What? So is this the same animation that people that made? This is like a rip-off to like Robots, the 2005 film. And even they look like the ones like in Murder Drones, where they had like worker drones.
Oh, you mean Uzi? He's a good little fella. I want to see Uzi sometimes.
Well, I don't know. But that's just the way it is. But I just don't get it. Why is this family just like those robots? Ain't look like the ones like from Robots, the 2005. And the giant robot, which is a weird, creepier CGI, like a rip-off to another Robots film. That's just so weird. I don't know why this animation, but at the same time, but all those community, that we don't get it, guys. I don't know, what is this? Bolts and Blip, the Battle of the Winter League. That's just favorite. What is this? Oh God, what is this? Oh no, he's gonna fail. Crew animation. What's crew animation? You may not know what it is. It's an animated company that made this company over here. I don't know why. I don't know what's this. Wait. A fog with an identity crisis. What is this? That looks like Sandy from SpongeBob. And then what? Oh, okay, but I just gotta be known this straightforward. On a holy journey of a lifetime. Okay. Well, I don't know what's going to see. What is this? Is this like the Prince of Egypt version? Why? Adventure that goes totally wrong. Whoa, this is not how the big giant crocodile. Please don't eat me. Somebody. A spider! Oh God! Yeah, I know this is a film. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh God. What is that evil guy? That looks like that evil from that Prince of Egypt. Yes, I only prefer the Prince of Egypt, which is another animated by DreamWorks as well. Ribbit. Okay, it's called Ribbit. Oh yeah, I think that's it, but probably just to know it, I think this is just probably that, you know. And please do not play that goddamn THX. Maybe not Lionsgate Pictures. Well, that's it. Yep, Lionsgate Pictures, the company that made Saw franchise, which is a good company. Oh. Well, guys, what do you think?
It's nothing that you would. I never said it.
Yeah, we're going. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. What? Guys, come on. Oh. Oh, well, it's just you and me, Sinessa. So, what do you want to do?
I know, we're probably gonna do something shocking.
What is it, then?
We're gonna do this film.
Ah! No! Not the Emoji Movie. That's good. No. No.
Gigu. He's
He's dead.